Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your YouTube account and opening the exact video where related videos appear. This ensures settings apply to your session. Once done, click the player gear, then the three dots or more, and open Advanced Settings. You need to reach the per video controls. Make sure to toggle autoplay off and check the end screen elements. Disabling these stops many immediate suggestions. Also prepare to adjust channel or browser-wide controls next to make the change persistent. Next, change channel level and browser measures because per video tweaks sometimes revert. You should open your channel customization and hide sections like recommended or popular where YouTube surfaces related videos. This reduces cross-video suggestions. Then install a reputable browser extension or custom CSS to remove the right column related panel. That blocks the UI element directly. Finally, clear cookies or ensure you stay signed in so YouTube. To finish, test your changes across several videos and on another device to confirm related videos no longer appear. YouTube behavior can differ by platform. If it works, lock in by updating app permissions and saving channel customizations. Make sure to revisit these options after major YouTube updates or when you clear cache, because defaults can return. If something goes wrong, disable browser extensions temporarily, then re-enable them one by one to spot conflicts. That troubleshooting step usually reveals the culprit fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.